I just finished crushing up some pumpkin seed powder, or some pumpkin seeds, and turned it into a powder. I'm not even going to clean it. Now we got Ragu Classic Alfredo. All right, I like to shoot short videos, so pause for the cause. I'm using some of the juice that's inside the artichoke hearts to clean out the rest of the jar. All right, wait for it. I squeezed out some of the juice. And then I have 2 packages of frozen spinach, cut leaf. I was going to use fresh, but I wanted to squeeze out as much of the juice that I could. And I'm hoping when I throw this into the blender, it turns green. Alright, you don't want the noise, so quick pause for the cause. Wow, that came out amazing. Nice consistency. Throw that on top of some pasta, top anything. Spinach artichoke dip with Alfredo sauce. Delicious. Love it.